Hi everybody, welcome back. Let's talk about the creator economy. There's a sector or section of the economy that has developed and grown over the last 50 years that I like to call the creator economy. And as creative professionals and entrepreneurs, this has presented new opportunities and new challenges for how we can succeed in the world, in life, in our careers, in this creator economy. So in this video, I want to talk about 5 ways to succeed in the creator economy. So these days, design, sound, writing, video, photography have never been more critical to a business's success. The global branding and advertising firm Young and Rubicam did a study where they studied 60 companies over 10 years, and they found that design-driven companies outperform non-design-driven companies 2 to 1. So the economics of leveraging design and leveraging creativity to benefit your business is absolutely documented and absolutely true. Businesses' need for creative content has absolutely exploded. Over the last 20 years, as the internet and content marketing has taken center stage in being pivotal to a business's success, the need for a business to develop and put out a huge amount of creative content to show up and be present and be recognized has, like I said, absolutely exploded. So the opportunities there are huge for creative professionals to be developing this sort of content. There's been an exponential growth in the number of platforms that businesses have to show up on. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, the list goes on. Cable channels, hundreds of them are now putting out Hollywood level video content. There's the explosion of the gaming industry. There's the explosion of AR and VR. All of this has created and developed what we call the creator economy. Now I'd like to show you a chart, and this shows that the working class really is shrinking. More robots, more automation, websites like 99 Designs and Adobe Spark and Canva has democratized and automated the development of some types of creative content. You can see that agriculture is shrinking. The service class and the service industry are growing. The creative class has grown from 10% of the economy to now 30% of the workforce. The world is moving to freelance work. By 2023, 45% of the working population of the United States anyway is going to be independent contractors or freelancers. We've moved strongly into the gig economy. There's been a rise of the consultant class. Your job insurance, your ability to control your own destiny really comes down to your ability to succeed in the creator economy. So now let's talk about the 5 skills that you need to succeed in the creator economy. Now, when we start this list, I'm making an assumption that you have one core skill that is in the design industry or the creative industry. Design, photography, illustration, video, whatever that is, that's a towering strength, and you are going to market with that strength. This list of 5 things is on top of that. You have to up your game because creative, in a lot of ways, has become commoditized. So you have to kind of build on that skill set of core creative ability to succeed in this creator economy, to put yourself above the rank and file of creatives out there. So number 1, business skills. On top of your core creative abilities, you've got to develop some core business skills that are going to take you above the rank and file of creatives. Planning, strategy, business goals, financial goals, understanding budgeting, understanding resource management and account management. All sorts of aspects of basic business are going to be critical in your ability to exceed in the creator economy. Number 2 is business development, and that is pitching. It's getting out there and getting new business. It's finding targets, so target identification, lead generation, promotion and marketing, developing proposals, and once you get those clients, client management. Doing business development and getting good at business development is a core skill that you've got to develop to succeed in the creator economy. Number 3 is content skills. I talk about this all the time on my channel, but you've got to start developing some sort of content. You've got to start putting yourself out there, having your opinion be known to establish yourself as an expert in your field. Content marketing is really one of the only types of marketing that is free. And it also works really well. It establishes you as an expert and it brings in business. So content development is also business development. Now, number 4 is marketing skills. Content marketing is great, but it's not everything. You need to develop methods and processes for reaching distant or unlinked or unconnected to you cold prospects. And yes, you also need to do paid advertising, so Facebook, Instagram ads, Google AdWords. You need to develop sources of passive revenue. That might be affiliate relationships, or it might be developing sponsorship relationships to sponsor you. And as you become more popular and grow a following in the type of content that you produce. So developing a range of marketing skills is critical in succeeding. Number 5 is networking skills. If there's one skill that I would say is the most important skill to develop to succeed in the creator economy, it would be networking. Developing your ability to build partnerships, to expand your network, to develop vendor relationships will bring you new business referrals. Getting out there and meeting and connecting and building relationships with new people will do more to contribute to your success than almost anything else. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video on 5 ways to succeed in the creator economy. And if you did, please hit subscribe below so you can see my videos when they come out. And visit me at philipvandusen.com. I'd love to hear from you to help you succeed in your business or succeed in your career. Reach out to me there and we'll see what we can do to take you to the next level. And with that, thanks again for watching. Bye for now.